So let us go with the problem number 4. The dimension of a rectangular field 36 meter and 24 meter. Find the cost of fencing of the field if cost of wire is 4 rupees 50 per meter. Right, here we need to find the perimeter, because the dimension of rectangular field we are supposed to fencing, right? That's what you need to do now. So go with the perimeter of the rectangular field is equal to twice length into breadth, right? 2 plus, right? 2 plus length is 36 plus breadth is 24, right? 2 36 40 60, 2 into 60, so that is nothing but 120 meters is perimeter. This is perimeter. Now what they are asking, we are supposed to find the cost of fencing of the field if the cost of wire they have given. So that is for 1 meter, which is going to cost us around 4 rupees 50 paisa. For 120 meter, how much? It is what? You just multiply it, 4.50 into 120. So 12 5s are 60, 0, 6 carry, 12 4s are 48 plus 6, 54. So which is going to be the 540 rupees, right? Answer is rupees 540.